Welcome to Toy Story Time!
Hey guys, Race Time here. Today I'm going to show you my Playmobil Wild Animals collection. Here I have an elephant, Next, let's check out the birds in my collection. Here is an owl, here is a kingfisher, here is a crow, here is a falcon, here is an eagle, here is a parrot, next here is the koala, here is a deer family, here is an elk, next is we have an alpine ibex, and here's a chamois, and here we have a panda family. Here's an ostrich, and here we have a few snakes. Here's a brown bear with a cub. And we also have a rhinoceros. Here's a big hippo and a baby hippo called Calf. Here I have 3 giraffes. Next, the zebras. Here is a gorilla family. Next, the orangutans. And here I have a spider monkey with a baby in the back. Next, the wild pigs. And here's a chimpanzee family. Here's an okapi and a little okapi. And here's a lynx family. And here's a pride of lions. Next is the tiger family. And I also have a leopard family. Here are some penguins. A marmot family. And here's a hedgehog family. Here's an otter. I have here an alligator family. I also have meerkats. Okay, next I have rabbits. Then next, the wild geese. Here's a seagull. Here's a gray heron. And also here's a pelican. And here are some wild ducks. Here's a peacock. And next we have doves. Next we have flamingos. Here's a fox family. Here are the squirrels. Some wild rats. Some fish. here's a baby turtle. And a frog. And also I have hyenas. And here's a vulture. And lastly, I have a kangaroo. Okay, those are my Playmobil wild animals collection. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you do, don't forget to subscribe and click those thumbnails to watch more fun videos here at Race Day Time channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.